how to set viewing preferences for an inventory, and where to create new columns. To set the viewing preferences for a particular inventory, first navigate to the selected inventory by clicking on the Inventories tab and then choosing the inventory from the navigation panel. In the Inventory screen, click the button Columns. Here, you can click on the eye symbol if you wish to hide a particular column. To change the order of columns, drag and drop a selected column up or down. These preferences will only be reflected within your user account. Others will be able to set their own viewing preferences. To edit a column, scroll over a column with your mouse and click on the pencil icon. After you're done updating it, click Update Column. If you wish to delete a column, scroll with your mouse over the selected column and click on the trash bin icon. Confirm deleting by clicking Delete. Please note that you cannot edit or delete preset columns. You can, however, hide them except for the name column. For more information about SciNote, you can check out the description below.